saging? 35. Saging. Oh, that's a saging. Karnaba. Hala, hinog ba siya, oh. Nice for barbecue na siya. Nice for barbecue. Magpaserap sa nito. Ay, na fruit stand ay siya diri. Small fruit stand. Oh, na siya ang diri, oh. Nice na diri. Enjoy. Init na siya. Enjoy ko ba nito ang rice pa. Asa din ba? Paseras rice. Hello, I like the red rice. Oh, red rice. Yes. White kaya ang rice niya. Red rice. White rice. Kabantian country homes. There also eggs. Selling eggs. This small store. Rice store. I'm looking for a syrup. Yung ano, chicken. Maybe I can go home now. Accessory stores. This is the best lechon manok in Cabanti. And here, this is the best lechon manok here. It's so delicious and big. 1 kilo. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the best lechon manok in Cabanti and so delicious. It's a big one, lechon manok. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. I don't need fish water. This is the supplier of that water here. I don't want fresh water.